Hi, this is Josephine Lavanya, your English teacher. I hope everyone are fine. Today we are going to see the first lesson, Who Did Patrick's Homework? It is written by Carol Moore. Before moving into the lesson, I want to ask few questions. Do you have a habit of doing your homework? Some will tell yes, some will tell no. If you are doing your homework, I am appreciating you to do your homework regularly. If you are telling no, this is a lesson for you. Here our main character Patrick, he never did his homework. Instead of doing homework, he was playing hockey, basketball and video games. His teacher were telling him that, Patrick, you should do your homework, otherwise you would not learn even a single thing. Patrick knew that it was true, but he hated homework. He didn't want to do. One day, his cat was playing with a doll. Patrick went near the doll and grabbed at his hand. Then he found that it was not a doll, it was the tiniest man. The tiniest man was wearing wool shirt, short trousers and tall hat. The elf started shouting at Patrick, please help me, don't give me back to the cat, I will grant your wish. Now Patrick, he was feeling more happy. He found that he was a solution for all my problems. Patrick, he started telling his wish to elf. He told, you should do the homework for me a semester. A semester, it consists of 35 days. At the particular time, I should get A. Now elf, it was feeling very sad and it showed his disagreement by showing his face so many ways. But at the end it accepted because it already made a promise. When the elf it started doing all Patrick's homework, it started shouting at him, I didn't know what's homework. You should sit beside me and you should help me to do your homework. First of all, elf, it had a doubt in words, so he asked dictionary to Patrick. Patrick, he took dictionary and started searching the word as well as meaning for elf. Then second, elf, it didn't know maths. Again, Patrick, he started helping to the elf for maths. Then for human history, it was a mystery for elf. Again, Patrick, he went to library and took lot of books to help elf. So now Patrick, he started working hard compared than before, and he started spending his whole night for learning, studying and helping the elf. At the end of the semester, he went to his school and he got A. Before that, the elf escaped from Patrick's home at the end of the day, end of the semester. Now all the teachers, parents as well as students, everyone got surprised and everyone started praising Patrick and wishing him. Patrick, he became a role model of all the children. He was doing his work regularly, he was doing his homework and work, everything he was doing regularly. He was a role model of all the children and he did never get angry towards anyone. Patrick, he was thinking that it happened because of the elf, it helped him. But at the end, the writer, he was telling to us that really Patrick, he did all the works. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you so much.